Let's go over this.
I love math.
Given tangent of theta is negative 2/3 and cosine is greater than 0, find cosine of theta and cosecant of theta. The question is, which quadrant are we in, and how can we draw that triangle? So let's go ahead and draw ourselves a quadrant. Let's practice our quadrants. This is quadrant what? This one? Class, tell me the acronym. Ready, set, go. All right, listen to my think out loud. I know that tangent here is negative. Okay, think about this, okay? I want tangent to be negative, but here tangent is positive because they're all positive. I don't want positive. Tangent here is positive. I don't want positive. I want what? Negative. So it has to be in one of these two. Look at this. Cosine is greater than 0. If I said that my bank account is greater than 0, what does that imply? Positive or negative? Positive. So this is just a fancy way of saying positive. So where is cosine positive? Which quadrants? Quadrants 1 and 4. Cosine is negative here, so I don't want that. And cosine is negative here, and I don't want that. So hopefully this visual kind of shows you that here in quadrant 4, tangent is negative and cosine is positive. So let's draw our triangle. Now this should kind of help you make sense of the problem. Tangent, partner B tell partner A, what is it in terms of x, y, and r? Ready, set, go. You guys got to be good at memorizing these. Roy's tangent is what? Royce, what do you say? Not here. Just kidding. John. Tangent in terms of x, y, and r? He says y over r. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Ooh, get them flashcards. Ruby, what is tangent? Y over x. You see, that should tell us, you're like, I'm not sure which one is positive, which one's negative. Where's the negative? Is it the 2 or the 3? But if you draw a picture, remember, you can just randomly, let's draw it to proportion this time. If I draw a triangle down here, which one's going to be positive? X or the Y's? The x's are positive. So in this fraction, to make it more clear, you can have negative 2 over 3. The reason why that's the case is because in quadrant 4, we usually draw a positive 3 and then a negative 2. And then our ray, terminal side in quadrant 4 looks like this. Last week we learned to draw a bow tie. Class, should I go to the left or up? We're going to go up to draw a right triangle. And now we can label our sides. You have x is 3. Y is negative 2. And then I can just use Pythagorean theorem to solve for the r. And then I can find my theta here. I can find cosine and cosecant. How did you find the r? What formula did you use?
squared plus y squared.
Substitute them in for us.
Dx will be 3 squared plus 1c squared t squared.
Keep going.
R squared equals 9 plus 4. R squared equals 13. D squared root 3. Maybe R equals the root of 13.
Raise your hand if you got that. Remember, in math, it is a plus and a minus, but radius is a distance, so r will always be positive. Try rub in. Kaylee P. Cosine is which two sides? Echo? Okay, now I want letters X, Y, and R. Good. Substitute. Good. And your final answer? Yes. Jennifer R. Can you tell me cosecant in terms of X, Y, and R? Correct. Substitute. Go ahead and simplify. So you have a positive divided by a negative. What's a positive divided by a negative? Correct. So we write the negative sign in line with the fraction line. So our answer is negative radical 3 over 2. Let's double check this. Melissa, what does a C stand for? What does it mean about cosine in quadrant 4? Cosine is positive. Class, cosine and what? Secant are going to be positive. Everything else is what? Negative. Do you see how I'm double checking my answer?